The race to various national posts kicked off this Tuesday, February 8, in different areas in the country, and various stints were done by political supporters in Cebu to back up the candidacy of their choice of leaders. Supporters of Vice President Leni Robredo and Senator Kiko Pangilinan held a walk for Leni Kiko at the Fuente Osmeña Circle this morning. They also launched a fundraising drive for the victims of Typhoon Odette in the town of Moalboal. Meanwhile, the supporters of former Senator Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. and Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte started removing their oversized posters to start complying with COMELEC rules.
We started removing the large tarpaulins to honor the COMELEC's guidelines. Then now, instead of having caravans, since we're still under alert level 3, we also are honoring IATF's guidelines that you can't hold rallies, you can't hold.
The COMELEC has issued new campaign guidelines this year, which includes requiring all campaign activities to have the approval of the newly created National COMELEC Campaign Committee, whose main function is to regulate election campaign under the new normal. Candidates are no longer allowed to enter houses, nor kiss and hug the public. Even handshakes and taking selfies are also being discouraged. Also, the giving of food, water, or anything of value is already considered a violation. Crowding or gathering of a large group of people is also prohibited. Another new regulation to be implemented is for organizers of in-person campaigns, holding of rallies, caravans, among other campaign activities, to secure permits from the committee by applying in the regional or provincial election offices where their events will be held. Meanwhile, Cebu City Police Office issued reminders to the public that they will file cases against violators of existing public health protocols during physical campaign gatherings.
Any particular political exercise, no, such as even if mag-distribute lang sila of leaflets and so on, they must comply with the COMELEC guidelines, because if not, there will be a problem.
They will also strictly enforce security measures during this coming campaign caravans in coordination with the COMELEC.
Yeah, area security lang jud ta aron na magpahigayon na orderly ug peaceful and compliant to the COMELEC guidelines.
This has been Sheriza Uy from MyTV Cebu.